Alright, so we have here two more examples of this topic, factoring perfect square trinomial. So we have number 5 and number 6. But before I answer number 5, let me answer first this number 6. Okay, so let's do the same. Just copy the first term, x squared, and also the second term, 12xy. And then let's rewrite the third term. The third term can be written as 36 can be written as 6 squared, because 6 squared is same as 6 times 6, which is 36. Then y squared equal to x squared plus 12xy plus, so combine these two, the basis, multiply the basis, so 6 times y, then raise to the common exponent, which is equal to 2. Okay, so now let's find what is our a. So here our a is equal to x. Here our b is equal to 6y. So the next thing to do is to check twice a, b. So let's check if we can get exactly the middle term. So 2 times our a is x. Then our b is 6y. So 2ab is equal to 2 times x is 2x times 6y. So that is 12xy, positive. So look at this. Is it the same as the middle term? Yes, same as the middle term. So this is a perfect square trinomial. So therefore the factors are, we have a, which is x. So this is plus, middle term is plus, so this is also plus. Our b is 6y times x plus 6y. Okay, or this is equal to x plus 6y, then raised to power 2. So these are the factors, and this could be your answer, or this one. So they're just the same. Okay, so that's it. Thank you. So I will show you the solution for this one in the next video. If you have any question, just leave your question in the comment section below. Thank you, and please don't forget to follow to see more videos like this. Thank you.